This is Justin from Oceanside Motorsports, and we are here with our F80 M3 with a failed diff mount. These fail with between 30 and 50,000 miles usually. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the second mount here with this beautiful hole that BMW has provided us with. We're going to use the Turner Motorsports dual diff mount bracket, and we are also going to retrofit the late differential mount that BMW sends on the 2018 and newer M3s. So we have this nice Turner Motorsports dual diff mount bracket that we're going to be installing here, and this is the late style diff mount. It uses a urethane foam versus a fluid filled rubber bushing there, and we're going to need to compress this inside this mount. It's a little bit larger and it's a nice tight friction fit. I've made this tool, fits nicely over the lip there, and this will be compressed down to size and pressed into place like so.